let's create a progression using beautiful arpeggios, sweeping up in the left hand, all based in A major, and then we'll flip it to A minor and also put a gorgeous melody over the top. Let's dive right in. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. I'm making new videos every Thursday, so be sure to subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. So let's begin down in the left hand down here in the key of A major arpeggio. So we have our A, C sharp, E, A all the way up. Now with arpeggios we're breaking the chord notes apart, and then let's extend this into over the octave to the C sharp as well to come down. So today we're just going to do that with a second finger. Often in an arpeggio we would actually do that with a third finger going over all the way up, higher and higher up there. So let's just do that and create a bit of rhythm. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 2 beats up and down. So just a bit slower. 1 and 2 and over and 2 and. Now when our finger goes over our thumb here, we want to watch that we don't flick out our elbow at all in this direction. We want to keep our elbow just hanging, and our thumb is just going to stretch under our hand to allow our second finger to go over. So let's do that again, and just watch that your hand is gliding up and gliding down. One more time, and we will do our second finger over and back down to the A. Let's now add our right hand over the top with a C sharp here in our melody. So C sharp with our A arpeggio down the bottom. So as we play our first note, we're just going to add that C sharp in the right hand. Let's go a little quicker now. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 again. Then let's change our left hand notes to a bit of a D pattern down here. So we're still going to start on the A bass, but we're going to do D notes coming up the chord there. So pass from A to D, F sharp, A. Once again, our second could go over to the top D there. So let's do that a couple of times. 1 and 2 and D and 2, and a little slower if you like. And over without flicking your elbow up, stretch that thumb under your hand. Last time. And in the right hand we can then put a little melody over the top with our B. And then back to the C sharp and the A like our first pattern. So let's do that again. I'm just going to do a little demo here. So with the second chord, let's do that together again on our D pattern, starting on our A down the bottom. Right hand has our B. When we go to D at the top here, we're actually going to go to D in the right hand. So that's a good little trick there. Let's do that again. You can add on a little dab of pedal as well if you like, and re-pedal with the B, re-pedal with the D. Back to the C sharp melody note. Let's put it together all again. C sharp, over to the C sharp, now B, D, C sharp again. One more little trick if you're having trouble getting those notes together at the right time, we could say both left, 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 left. Then both left, 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 both left, left, left. So both and 3 lefts, both left, 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 both left, left, left. So always tap it again if you're getting a bit tricked up there. Let's do it one more time before we do 2 extensions today. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and B, D, Now to extend this, we could just do an easy up the octave little pattern on our C sharp up here. Let's have a go. To extend it further today, let's drop into the minor. So straight away we can have our A, C, E, A to the gloomy C there, to C natural. And just your 2 could come over there in the left hand. Right hand, we're just going to swap out that C sharp for a C natural again. Just get the hang of the left hand. One more time. Once again, we're going to go to our B with our D in the left hand. So we have a D minor pattern here. No sharp there now, but F natural there. So B natural, D's together again. Let's do that one a few times. D's. One more time. Back to the C and the A. Let's do it one more time, all again with our minor pattern. So let's mix those all around and make a little progression and join some of those ideas together to make our own little song today. Well, thanks so much for joining me. There's over 150 videos that you can check out if you enjoy this type of playing, and to help you with tools to be able to jump right into playing some beautiful piano sounds today. Thanks for watching.